Hey, traders! Are you ready to dive into the world of Forex trading with some cutting-edge tools that promise to revolutionize your trading strategies? Well, let me introduce you to two incredible innovations from Avinix Esco TrendoNex and OrexBot. First up, TrendoNex. This isn't just any Forex robot. It's your next-level partner for trading XOUSD on the H4 timeframe. Specially designed for the MetaTrader 4 platform, TrendoNex offers features like pinpoint accurate trend identification. Imagine having a tool that not only spots the trend, but also tells you the smartest entry points. That's TrendoNex for you. It also boasts top-tier risk management and customizable lot sizes, allowing you to trade your way with confidence and precision. But wait, there's more. Let's talk about OrexBot. If TrendoNex was impressive, OrexBot is nothing short of revolutionary. Also designed for the MetaTrader 4, but focusing on the H1 timeframe for XOUSD, OrexBot uses advanced algorithms and real-time data analysis to make your trading decisions smarter and more profitable. It's all about making well-informed decisions quickly and aligning your trades with the dominant market trends. Both these tools from Avinix Esco are more than just software. They are your gateway to enhanced trading performance. With these robots, you're not just trading, you're trading with a strategy designed for success. Their intuitive interfaces make them accessible, whether you're new to Forex trading or a seasoned pro. So whether it's the sophisticated trend-following capabilities of OrexBot or the precise risk management of TrendoNex, these tools are here to transform your trading experience. And let's be honest, in the fast-paced world of Forex trading, having a reliable tool can make all the difference. Ready to take your trading to the next level? Check out Avinix Esco's TrendoNex and OrexBot. It's time to trade smart, trade with confidence, and most importantly, trade for success. See you in the market.